What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're finally filling in all these cells with concrete. So I got all my rebar pretty much all in place everywhere where I need it. Got a ton of rebar on this wall just to help hold all this back. This is what I need to do here. I made a quick little form just to help me out with dumping it in here. And you can see you got the rebar sticking out of the pad. I got a bent one going down over, connecting the rebar sticking out of the pad, and then I have all these rebar overlapping that rebar by at least 20 inches. So we're going to fill in all this. All this is going to be filled, all the cells will be filled, and it'll be all one big solid piece. So I have a yard of concrete worth of materials, so we're gonna see how far that gets us today. I'm using pea gravel just so it makes it a little bit easier getting it down into all the cells. So I got a ton of pea gravel, ton of highway sand, and I have 6 bags of Portland. Got the good old Harbor Freight mixer all set up and ready. That mixer has done me really well. I've mixed over 20 yards of concrete with it so far. So now we're gonna use it to make all the concrete for the cells. If you guys are new here, I make all my own concrete. That's how I do with all the materials I have, the gravel, sand, and Portland. So it's 3 shovels of gravel, 2 shovels of sand, 1 shovel of Portland, and that gets you the ratio you need for the concrete. So I got a pretty nice setup, and we're gonna get going. Start mixing this concrete. All right, used up all my materials that I had for now. So that was 1 yard of concrete and got about a quarter of the way done. So it looks like I'm gonna need 4 total yards to fill in all of these cells all the way around. But yeah guys, we're making some good progress. This is one of the bigger steps here. Once I get this done, especially this wall, I'll be in really good shape. See how I got it filled in here all along the edge. I'm gonna put another piece of concrete that goes out as like my little ramp. So I just stopped it right at the edge for there for now. But yeah, just got this filled in. It's just a rough job, but just the very edge there I filled in like that. Not supposed to be pretty. Yeah, the next yard should get me all of this and then about halfway back here. And once I get that done, I can actually start laying some more block up on this wall over here. Make the next video about how to lay block. We've come a long way. This pad is officially tied in to the foundation, a quarter of it at least. So here in the front, all this, so there's a bunch of rebar sticking out of the pad that's now connected to these rebar that are overlapping the rebar that stick out of the foundation, the footer. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this next step on my project here. Got a long ways to go and a lot of videos to make. I want to get back into some of the other videos that I normally make, but this garage has just been taking up a lot of my time and money. So I will be making some other videos here shortly, very soon. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this one. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a big thumbs up down below. I really appreciate it. And yeah, hope you have a great day. Peace.